What happens when science meets art? What happens when intelligence meets innovation? We get more power and efficiency than we ever thought possible. In fact, we get top-of-the-class electrical efficiency of 48.7%. Stable power output and reliable efficiency in any ambient conditions. And a combined heat and power solution with over 90% efficiency. Plus a revolutionary 3-module concept, giving you an engine, a 2-stage turbocharging unit, and a generator, ensuring standardization, fast installation, and easy maintenance. Also allowing for plant flexibility with multiple engine installations in a standardized modular powerhouse. And combining the multiple engine concept with a 5-minute startup time provides flexible power throughout operating cycles. We're even here to help you realize your power plant projects with guidance throughout the design, testing, and completion phases. Our trained project managers and service engineers offering you expertise and support every step of the way, giving you complete peace of mind. But don't just imagine lasting power. Experience it yourself with the incredible new 10-megawatt range GE Jenbacher gas engine, the new J920.